Natalie is one of those people who you read her updates on social media and you always wish you were her. She is constantly doing something, and that's a characteristic that I've always admired in her. She's one of those people who is always on brand. She's always doing the work that she promises to be doing, and yeah, she's just an inspiration to all of us.
Natalie's been involved with YMCA International since 2017. First through the International Assistance Service as a team leader, and more recently since June last year as a member of our youth engagement panel. Natalie led her team to deliver a community development programme that aimed to increase the economic opportunities for young people living in Togo, whether this was to provide them with additional kind of skills, with education, or greater awareness and access to the job market.
Natalie was a really enthusiastic leader. She was so committed, and she just wanted to make the work that we did as good as it could be, and to really support us to get the most out of the process and the project while we were there.
Natalie is reliable, she's engaged, and most importantly for us at YMCA International, as a volunteer, she's really interested in what we do. She's enthusiastic and passionate about empowering other young people to kind of stand up and take action on the things that are important to them and that affect other young people in the world.
When we were in Togo, I kind of just really got this positive vibe from her, and that she was really fun, and she really wanted to be a part of the community while she was there, so she really enjoyed spending time with her host family and the local volunteers. I just think that reflects, you know, that's the right attitude you should have when you're doing overseas work.
Since coming back from placement, Natalie has been really engaged with trying to keep our pool of 15,000 UK alumni engaged with the work that we're still doing. And last year we held a celebration event marking 9 years of the work of ICS. She was part of a small group of volunteers organising that event.
She really cares about making the world a better place in every aspect of her life. So in terms of being a proactive citizen, both in London and in the UK, but also on a global scale. So, as I said before, she's part of the YMCA International Youth Panel. She also does other volunteering. She made a career change so that she could be a more proactive citizen as well.
Natalie deserves an award for her volunteering because she's one of those people who continues to inspire. In my work, I speak to dozens of young volunteers every week, but there are a few who really stand out, and Natalie is one of them. I come away driven to do my job better by hearing how she approaches her work.
I think the thing that makes Natalie unique is just her endless amount of enthusiasm. She has so much energy, she's constantly doing things, and I just look at her and I'm like, wow, how do you keep on going? That's amazing. So she's very inspiring.